installing these lights on the tires, and it's gonna be easy install. So right now, all we gotta do is take off the air cap and put it on. LED looks like, and you can change colors, but I'll show you guys better tonight. You wanna do the install? We gotta take off the old tube air thing right here, and I'll put it on. Don't break it. If you break it, you're gonna get a flat tire.
I'm breaking it. Come on.
There you go. One install done. Now we got 3 more to go. Let's see how it looks. Watch it. Oh, it charges from the sunlight too, so it's pretty cool. And the whole thing's, I mean, it's pretty big. Let me see. Watch out, close. Oh, it's pretty noticeable, but it's pretty cool still. All right, next one. Now they're all on. Install complete. Now we gotta wait tonight, so when it gets dark, we can see how they look. They're noticeable, but not too bad. To be honest with you, they look pretty cool. Should just check if that one's tight. But yeah, pretty cool. Let's wait tonight. Eating Subways while we're waiting to turn dark, so we can show you guys the lights will be installed. This is our Subway sandwich. We have the same one. We just split it. We got some chips.
I don't think I was recording, so I'm just gonna record this one. Bad, they're bad. You don't see them, it's kind of bad.
Why?
You don't see them spinning that good.
I overlooked the video. I think they look cool. What you guys think, let me know in the comments.